Okay, this is the Patronus edition AMG Black Series. Each one of those stars is hand painted, Sean.
Wow. I thought it was a wrap too.
Nope, hand painted.
Wow.
Old Dad gets to take a ride on the GT3 RS Lizard Green. Thanks a lot, man, for taking my dad.
No problem.
This will be his first time in a supercar.
This isn't a supercar.
Well, it is to us. Dad. We got Dad a ride in the Porsche GT3 RS. We are going to attempt to drive safely at 55 miles per hour to catch up to said cars. Stay tuned. Well, we have yet to catch up with Dad in the GT3 RS, but consolation prize, we're riding with the Mclaren Senna. The pops and bangs are ridiculous. When that thing accelerates, you see heat fumes pouring from the frickin' exhaust tips. It's amazing. It sounds amazing. Too bad Dad couldn't ride in that, but maybe next time, Dad, we'll work on that. Come on, Tommy. Come on, Steve. He says bye-bye. Hey, Steve, thanks for giving my dad a ride, man.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
With the glittery in it?
Oh, it's so glittery. Oh, Billy.
This is Tommy's car.
It's so sexy for Tommy. It's glittery.
All right, Dad. Which one do you like out of all of those supercars and hypercars?
Bugatti's nice. What's that, the gray one? Is that a Porsche down there?
918.
Yeah, the 918.
Yeah.
Don't forget the Senna. Nasty's son one he's got.
Yeah, we seen that one on the way
Yeah, but
over
I
here.
gotta say my first one, you know, the first one to pop it was the,
GT3 RS?
Yep.
Yep.
I can concur. That is a good car to ride in.
Yeah. You did the track, I did street racing.
Yeah, the street was a lot more fun.
Yeah.
I know.
But you should have seen us following the Senna down the back roads and all the curves.
I think we were scaring him. He
Yeah.
had followed by a big Dodge Ram.
All right, so I'll tell you what. This Ferrari, I love that color.
Mm-hmm.
It is an amazing color.
I don't know what color code it is, but
What color do you guys think? Leave in the comments below, but I love that color blue.
it sure looks beautiful on this F8.
Yes. Let's go take a look.
Starting off, we have the Ferrari 360. Pretty iconic car.
Yes.
This one actually has the gated manual, your classic tan Ferrari interior. Would still rock one of these.
I would
How about
actually
you?
still buy one of these. These are amazing.
Mhm.
These are from 2005 when we first met, and we fell in love with cars going downtown Rush Street. Seeing these all the time.
Chase them down Rush Street. There we go. Moving on. Let's go over here to another classic,
Yes.
Ferrari F430.
Yeah. This thing is so amazing.
Still a beautiful spec. And then let's just continue moving through the years. After you leave the F430, we're gonna go to Ferrari 458 Italia.
Yes.
This one over here is like
No, this is like a legendary Ferrari color. You got the red with the beige interior. That all just goes together. It's amazing with the red
Iconic.
calipers.
Iconic. Okay, and last but not least, if I get that right,
Yes.
we'll go over here to the 488 GTB. All right, well, that's about to wrap up this video. Dad, thoughts?
Hey, a lot of money, a lot of nice cars, people are nice. Had a great time riding too.
Yep.
Sure, one of the best trips out here. Got to 2 car shows. You got to see all kinds of hypercars and supercars. It was an amazing weekend.
Yep. Cartoberfest at Iron Gate Motor Condos was amazing. Thanks for everybody over there having the garages open. Hospitality is amazing. Thanks again to Steve and those guys over there for giving us the chance to get Dad in the car. And remember, hit that like and subscribe button.
Until next time, stay humble.